Good evening. Welcome to Prestige Worldwide. It is 9:30 p.m. on the East Coast, August 7, 2021. We've got 2019 Panini Chronicles NFL Football 4-box case break number 6 coming at you. eBay break. Everybody's in ready to roll. So let's get cracking on the break. Good luck to everybody. As always, if you want one touch, signature confirmation, shipping insurance on your order, please check it out through the store at pwcards.com. Cards will ship within 24 to 48 hours. If you'd like those services, please add it to your order as soon as possible. Good luck to everybody on the break. Here we go. Alright. Jared Goff. Donovan McNabb. Zach Thomas. We got a Bryant Burns. Dwayne Haskins. Kyler Murray. Refractor. Titan. Not numbered. Arizona. John J. Rashawn Gary. And Andy Isabella. Canvas. Dwayne Haskins. Our first hit is a dual relic Brandon Cooks, numbered to 199 for your Rams. That's going out to Gerard S. Nice Brandon Cooks relic. Marquise Brown to 199. Ravens. Todd B. Noah Fant Crown. Devin Bush. Miles Gaskin Refractor. And Thomas Brady Studio. And David Montgomery. Juju Smith-Schuster, Andre Johnson, Artist Proof Daniel Jones, nice looking refractor there. The Giants, the score, numbered to 35 on that one for your New York Giants. That's going out to Mike P. Mike P. Dan Marino. Devo Samuel. Dwayne Haskins Refractor. Miles Boykin. And Nick Bosa finishing up that pack. Julio Jones. And we have another hit. This is going to be DK Metcalf. Look at that. Timeless Treasures, RPA, number to 99. DK Metcalf, Seattle. Emery, hey, congratulations, Emery, on that nice hit for you. We have a Darrell Henderson to 199 for the Rams. Is it going to focus? Well, there it is, to 199. Terry McLaurin, Kyler Murray, Parnell Savage, Marquise Brown, and Ryan Finley. Warren Sapp, Tony Gonzalez, Drew Brees, number to 99, the blue trim for your New Orleans Saints. Kurt S. on the Drew Brees. Darius Slayton, Keneal Harry, rookie. Alexander Mattson, rookie refractor. Miles Sanders and Riley Ridley. Matt Stafford, And we have a Levante David to 99 signature, Tampa Bay. Bucks are on the board. Dylan D. Congratulations on that hit, Dylan. Donovan McNabb. Miles Sanders. Tom Brady. The N'Keal Harry refractor. Easton Stick and Daniel Jones. So that's box number 1. Box number 2. Dak Prescott. And we have a Preston Williams auto, number to 49. Look at that beauty. For your Miami Dolphins. Preston Williams. Rodney H. Congratulations, Rodney, on that nice hit. Daniel Jones, rookie to 99. The Studio. Giants. 199. Terry McLaurin, Dwayne Haskins Crown, Hunter Renfrow refractor, Gardner Minshew, and A.J. Brown. Joey Bosa, Marquise Brown, Rashad Gary to 199 on that Packers hit. Green Bay, Dean G. Devin Singletary, Daniel Jones rookie. Will Greer refractor. Darius Slayton and Kyler Murray rookie. Luke Kuechly, Le'Veon Bell. And we got this nice green Titan, N'Keal Harry. That's numbered to 25. Patriots. Dustin M. Congratulations, Dustin. Odell Beckham Jr., Ryan Finley. DK Metcalf rookie refractor. Devin Singletary and Devin White. JJ Watt. Gardner Minshew to 25. The Timeless Treasures RPA. Jacksonville. Steve S. Congratulations, Steve. That nice Minshew RPA. Then we've got the blue number 299 Rashawn Gary for your Green Bay Packers. There it is. Dean G. Hunter Renfrow, Josh Jacobs, Daniel Jones refractor, Hunter Renfrow, and JJ Arcega Whiteside for your Eagles. Saquon Barkley, Jimmy Garoppolo. How about a Noah Fant number to 99? Denver. Chris J. Your Chris. Mishnu. Devin Bush. Devin Bush Refractor. Titan. Devin Bush. There's 3 in a row. And Bryce Love. That was a Devin Bush pack, huh? Jason Witten. We've got a Ryan Finley patch to 99 for your Bengals. NFL 100. Cincy is Danny C. There you go, Danny. Then we got a Tony Gonzalez to 99. That's 99 and 99 for your Kansas City Chiefs. Dustin M. A.J. Brown. Christian McCaffrey. Drew Lock, Rookie Refractor. Miles Sanders. And a DK Metcalf. Alright, box number 3. Nick Chubb. Uh-oh. How about a Dwayne Haskins auto? 5 of 10 on that nice rookie auto. Dwayne Haskins. Washington. Gerard S. Congratulations. Joe Mixon to 99 for your Bengals. 100. Cincy, Danny C. Miles Sanders, Marquise Brown, Terry McLaurin, Chase Winovich, and Deontay Johnson. Lamar Jackson, Michael Thomas, Paris Campbell to 99 on that Colts hit. Indy is going to be Whitney G. There you go, Whitney. Tony Pollard, Patrick Mahomes, David Montgomery, Rookie Refractor, Terry McLaurin, and Devin Bush. Phillip Rivers, Jared Cook to 49 signatures, New Orleans Saints. The Black Sharpie, nice hit for the Saints. Kurt S. Congratulations, Kurt. Hunter Renfrow to 199 for your Las Vegas Raiders. Shane A. Peyton Manning, Lamar Jackson, Josh Allen, Alexander Madison, and Josh Jacobs. Aaron Rodgers, Javon Curse. Oh, Daniel Jones rookie to 199. 100 Giants. Mike P. Josh Allen. McCole Hardman crown. David Montgomery rookie refractor. Josh Jacobs, and Drew Lock. Bruce Smith. How about an Alejandro Villanueva to 99? Dual swatch. Hometown Heroes for your Pittsburgh Steelers. Matthew F. Congratulations, Matt, on that nice Steelers hit. Jared Stidham to 99 Studio. Kurt S. David Montgomery, Dak Prescott, Damian Harris, Paris Campbell, and Benny Snell Jr. Ryan Kerrigan, Marshall Falk. We've got a orange Gardner Minshew Titan. That's numbered to 49 for your Jags. Steve S. Hunter Renfrow Crown. Josh Jacobs. Nick Bosa. Darrell Henderson and Hunter Renfrow. Alright, on to box number 4. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for breaking us as always. If you'd like one touch mag case on your card, signature confirmation, shipping insurance on your order, please check that out through the store at pwwcards.com. Here we go with box number 4 on the Chronicles break. Yeah, that UFC is coming up next. It'll be at 10 o'clock Eastern. Bruce Smith. How about a Deontay Johnson Crown Auto to 99. Nice hit for your Steelers. The Gold Crown Auto. Deontay Johnson. Pittsburgh. Matthew F. Congratulations. We've got Tom Brady to 99. New England. Dustin M. Ryan Finley, A.J. Brown, Marquise Brown, J.J. Arcega-Whiteside, and Justice Hill. Ryan Kerrigan, Marshall Falk, Julio Jones to 199, Atlanta Falcons. Noah Fant, Odell Beckham Jr., Justice Hill, Jarrett Stidham, and DK Metcalf. Deshaun Watson. We got a nice Noah Fant auto, rookie auto. Beautiful signature on that. The score refractor numbered to 50 for Denver. Chris J. Congratulations, Chris, on that hit. The Michael Thomas to 199 for the Saints. Kyler Murray, Deebo Samuel, Darius Slayton, and Marquise Brown, and Bryce Love finishing up that pack. Zeke Elliott, Terry Bradshaw. We've got Devin White to 99 for Tampa Bay. Dylan D. Will Greer Crown. Darnell Savage. N'Keal Harry Refractor. David Montgomery. And Gardner Minshew. It's a thick pack here. This must be our Alvin Kamara. How about this thick Peyton Manning to 25. Denver Broncos Hall of Famer. Chris J. Congratulations on that Manning hit. Then we have Josh Jacobs to 199. Shane A. Aaron Rodgers. And Cooper Kupp, Paris Campbell, Darius Slayton, and Miles Sanders. LaDainian Tomlinson, Ray Lewis, Paris Campbell, refractor, number to 99 for your Colts. Whitney G, Marquise Brown, N'Keal Harry, Paris Campbell, Devin White, and Andy Isabella. So that's the break. We'll get the video uploaded to YouTube, get these cards packaged up and shipped out to you. Have a great night, everybody.